At Tragical Racing, we provide quality UK parts.
What does Tragical Racing mean to you? I can't fucking do it. Don't do this, dude. This is ridiculous.
No, it is. Oh shit! Oh, right, anyway, we got ahead of ourselves and started opening the powder coated stuff, and fuck me.
Oh, mate, I can't wait to see what they turned out like.
I can't even replicate the reaction. I just
No,
can't
it was...
This is insane. I'm gonna put this down. Fuck it, Sam, let's get some fucking pets up, my friend.
Whoa!
See, I've forgotten how shiny this was over there. Like,
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
We are. What the fuck is that? Oh, I don't even think I needed this, did I? With the case swap. I don't know if you need this bar, but I remember putting it in to get powder coated and it got fucking down. Oh shit, I was going on Tragical Racing.
We'll just leave them on.
Oh no, that is tidy as fuck. And they fucking, oh, they covered all my screw holes as well. Holy shit, they have. Every single screw hole they fucking put something in. Oh Jesus. Holy shit, I did not expect that. No, honestly, when I was speaking to Lofty, he said that they just fucking, they're a bit, like, throw it all together, so.
Got a box knife or something? Yeah, this one's chipped. Won't be reusing this bubble wrap.
Oh, fucking hell,
That
that's
is
wicked.
pretty cool, yeah.
Ingenious, no wonder they did it, because it's like a piece of piss.
Dun, 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 dun.
I didn't even know that they've like, it didn't even come across my brain that they use little like rubber bungs. I thought they used silicone cups or something, but this has blown my mind. Because I thought I'd have to tap everything out, but this is good news, Sam.
They've
Holy
actually
shit.
got...
Look at that. That's better than brand new, that. This is just, you can see where all the, it's had a bit of reaction going on or something like that, but this is.
Let's see your hubs.
This is it. I've had this for fucking God knows how long.
Yeah, and you've not looked at it.
I've not even looked at it.
Well, you've not needed to. You didn't want to get it all open. Probably have risk.
Shipping them.
Chipping them and that, you know.
Holy shit. Give me a free bump. Holy shit. That is nice, that. That's a bit, this bit people never get done. They just leave it in there.
It's gonna be mint, this fucking car, like.
Like, no one ever splits this.
Remember how much of a ball ache at what they were to get off though?
Worth it, don't it?
Well worth it, but yeah.
Oh yeah, that is sick. Look at that, everything's like brand new. Like,
Missed a bit there.
I don't care, like this is, I was like dreading this because of this, but now I've seen it, I'm like, I don't have to tap anything. Today's been a good day.
Mate, this is unreal. Like literally just even the finish. Fuck me, man. I'm well jealous. That, like yours has turned out better than my fucking EP3 hubs. I just settle in.
Anyone want some powder coated hubs?
EP3 hubs.
Hit Sam up.
Hit me up.
This has turned out like I didn't even think. I did not even think. Woo! Yeah, we gotta get over that shit.
I know.
But, just off you now, Sam.
Go on off me.
Just
Fucking
roll your car out.
AC doesn't even work.
Yeah. And some Tragical Racing merchandise. Powder coated parts in the mist. So you recognise these as Chinese ones, but I've had them on the EP3, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to send them to get powder coated and then rebush them. So I brought my Super Pro kit today, so I can see if I have these bushes. If not, I can buy 6 Skunk 2 ones. How much were they? £9 each.
That's a lot.
I've got 6 to buy. But this is the only, this and the little brace across the back is literally the only thing that's going to be Chinese. Because
that's the thing, when you were like, they're only 20 quid for the Skunk 2 one for the EP, and I was like, holy shit, yeah, there's only 2. Fuck, because on the CRX is like them.
Yeah. That's it. They don't get stress tested like the UK or anything, but I've had them before and I will take my risks because I'm not going to jinx myself. I'm not even going to jinx myself. I'm just going to get a Powdercoating pink and see what they're like. If I like it, I might buy some genuine ones. When they break, I'll buy genuine ones. Right, so I've not managed to do fuck all again. Fucking with Sam's car, he's not bought the little temperature sensor for the aircon, so the aircon just wasn't working. Then his compressor weren't pumping properly and shit. So I've not managed to get anything done apart from just unwrap all these fucking parts, all these beautiful, beautiful parts. How good are they? Like, nothing really impresses me, but look at that subframe. It's like brand new. MB6 anti-roll bar. I got this brace, but I don't think I need it. Disc hubs. And they've like put stuff in all the threads. Like, so none of the threads I've painted. Oh, I thought they would. That's so good. Everything's straight. Got. The only thing I'm struggling to get is the front hubs with the bearings on. Is it the rears? No, the rears. This one. No, not that one. This one here. So sick, like, so I can't believe I've had these for like 2 months in the back of my car. Just sat in the back of the BM and I haven't even opened them. I just thought, oh, fuck it. And Jesus Christ, they're like pristine. So I've got all the bolts to sort out and then go from there really. Get all my hard race bushes that I've got under there. I don't know if I've shown you these, but there's some eBay shit. They're just the rear arms. Yeah, so I've got the Hyperflex bushes. Hopefully that's what I'm going to try and see now, if we've got them all in the right. And then the hard race trailing arm, trailing rear arm. So right, I'm just going to open these up now and tidy this up, and then I'm going to go home because I'm fucked, knackered. So I'll see you hopefully in a bit when I do the steering rack that I was meant to do today, and then get all my stuff all in here because it should be here by tomorrow, I think. So get everything done and get it put on EG. I was gonna come in today and get my steering rack done for the second day that I've not bothered doing it, but yeah, I've got to actually do some work on the BM because I've just been pulled over by the police and got a 100 quid fine for no MOT. Oh, I totally fucking forgot. It ran out on the 4th of July and it's the 20th something now. So I've got to, it's 25th now. So I've got to swap the wheels over because these ones were a bit low. They were a bit low on last MOT, but they've not worn too bad actually. Just low. They would pass an MOT, but they're just a bit low. So I'm gonna whip them off. I'm gonna stick my old wheels back on because they've got mega tread. Mega. You can actually see it. So I'm gonna do that. I've got a brake pipe sort out at the rear. I need to check this rear near side. Yep, that wheel bearing, hopefully it's just the nut because I had that drive shaft out way back. So I hope it's just the drive shaft bolt. I'll be able to see when the wheel's off, give it a good bopper up. And then that's it. Just go through lights and check it. And hopefully it goes straight through MOT tomorrow morning because I'm off tomorrow. I'm supposed to be going out, taking Mrs. out for a nice day off work and no kids. And then the Mrs.'s car also has no MOT, which was really surprising. So 2 cars, no MOT. I've just sold Civic that had an MOT and I've got to fuck around doing this. So I won't be able to get me bits done till next week now. So that rack down there, is gonna stay there behind. You can kind of see it there, and then I can get rid of all this rubbish then and do it. So right, I'm gonna crack on, get my BM sorted. I've not even had a chance to get these. The only thing I did find was I found a few bolts in a little bolt cupboard, and these are perfect for them obviously they'll go that way in. Might be wrong threads. I've got loads of bolts anyway. Got hundreds. Let's go and find one that will try and thread in there. What are we saying, boys and girls? Oh, spot on. Oh yes. So I can bodge them. Oh, I'll have to chop these down so they fit in. So I need, and I bet we don't have 8 of them, you know. Oh, I think they're the same. So that was my the biggest worry on putting these hubs and arms back together is that I wouldn't have the right bolts, because I didn't even check, but we fit loads of tow bars, loads. Well, one of the lads does anyway, and luckily, I used to throw them all away, throw all these bolts in the bin, and luckily, Nick has saved everything, and they are perfect, they fit straight in. But if you see it, it's got like a little cut bit at the end, so that hopefully that should try and rethread the rusty bits at the end. I got new arms, new steering arms. So I was going to go hard race, but everything's costing me a fortune at the minute, so I'm just going to try budget shit. Well, not budget, but these are the thicker out of the two. This is a JDM version, and they look exactly the same, it's just thicker. So come with castle nuts on. I do prefer castle nuts than Nylox. I don't know why. Just do front wheel bearings and steering rack arms. I can't find, that's a lie, I can find rear wheel bearings, but they're all dear. So I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet and get some. They're all about 100 odd quid. So you can't just buy the bearings on their own, it's the full thing. So I'll just get some new ones.